Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how you can set your watch list to public on CoinMarketCap. To set your watch list to public on CoinMarketCap, first of all, go ahead and open up your CoinMarketCap application from your app drawer. Make sure that you're logged into your account as well, and once you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap on the Markets tab at the bottom left corner. Inside the Markets tab, make sure that you've selected Watchlist from the top option. Now click on the three dots right next to your watch list, and then click on the Public toggle button in order to set your watch list to public. Making your watch list public means anyone on CoinMarketCap can view the cryptocurrencies you are monitoring. Be mindful of what information you want to share. Doing this will allow others to see your watch list, which can be helpful for sharing investment ideas or strategies as well. If you ever want to get your watch list to private, you can always come back to this page and toggle off the button right next to public, and that's how you easily turn on your watch list to public or set it to private whenever needed. Having said this, I would like to say thank you to you so that you have watched the video till the end. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.